G'day, my name's Wilfred West from Loch, Victoria, Australia. Welcome to Loch, the home of online gaming, wonderful views and Australian wildlife. I do hope you like these videos, if so please subscribe. The time is 10:03 in the morning. And yeah, before I go down to the beach, I have a couple shots of some birds eating. Our magpie friend over here. He's happy just munching away there. Got these two beautifuls over here. A couple of pigeons walking around on the ground. There's a couple of other birds in the trees too, I can hear. Let's see if one of these small ones will go there. There he goes. That wants to. It's one with a big thing. Oh, this is a different one. Ow. As soon as I'm about to zoom in, the magpie came. How rude. Oh well. Better zoom in on that one with a weird head. And the magpie came swooping in. Now, that's typical. Anyway, my name is Wilfred West from Loch, Victoria, Australia, signing off. Thank you again for watching my videos, and all comments are welcome. You all have a great day now.